Welcome back. In this session, we're going to explore advanced feature in Power BI, focusing on slicer and drill through. These features allow user to interact dynamically with your report and uncover deeper insights. So from the visual, we're going to go and choose a slicer. What's exactly slicer? It's a visual tool that let user filter data on the report page. We have different types of slicer. The first one gonna be list slicer, and we have even drop down slicer or date slicer. The list gonna show data as a list of options, drop down provide a drop down menu, and date basically work with date range. So our example gonna be on a slicer to filter sale data by region or product category. How can we apply something like that? As you can see here, we have only here one option. It's called field. So to use it, we're gonna click on the region or drag region to the field part. And as you can see here, we have east, north, south, and west. We can use that one for filtration process. And let's go to format visual. From here, we're gonna have slicer setting. We have here three options, as we mentioned, the list and title and drop down. We can change this one to have a drop down menu. As well, we have here another option. It's called tile. This one you can select your option directly. Not only that, you have other than like slicer header in case if you want to hear something like region. And inside the values, you can change the font size, font type, and etc.